Hi children, I am Mr.Prabhu. Again, I am in the chapter Polynomial. Yes, in the previous class, we have already discussed the so many aspects related to polynomials, introductions, classifications, and how to factorize the linear and as well as quadratic kinds of the polynomials. So, and based upon this linear and as well as quadratic polynomial, so many problems we have solved. That is exercise number 2.1 and as well as 2.2. Even graphical representation also. Today, I am going to discuss the another and the last concept in this chapter, that is division of algorithm. Division of algorithm. So this is known as division of algorithm. So the students, you know that in the first chapter, the lemma and algorithm, Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. So what do you mean by algorithm? Algorithm is a nothing but it is a simply steps, the well-defined steps which used to find the procedure of the problems. Means the stepwise we have, for example, we can take the any polynomial. Suppose you want to factorize it. How we can factorize it? So by using the division method, or by using the factorization method, or by grouping method, or by identity method. There are so many or various methods are there to find the factors. In which, if you apply any one method, so we can take the step-by-step analysis or step-by-step solution for that given polynomial. For that purpose, the meaning itself like that, the division of algorithm. So let us take one example related to this, how to find the division algorithm. What is the meaning of it and what is the general form of this division algorithm, so that we can find. So let us take an example. So in the last year, I mean in the 9th class, you are already known about how to divide the factors, means polynomials. That is how to factorize the polynomials using the different method. The same example I want to take. Consider this is the quadratic polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So divide it by divide. Otherwise you can write like this also. So divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 2. So how we can divide? You know that already. It is a quadratic polynomial. So in the quadratic polynomial, so first you can divide and factorize it. For finding zeros of a polynomial, we know that some values, that is zeros of a polynomial for linear equation, zeros of a polynomial for quadratic polynomials. So based upon that, we are able to find the cubical polynomials also. So before going to that, I may explain this one. So now you know that division by division method. By division method. So in the division method, what happens? One is divisor, one become divided. Which is divided? So it is the divided one, and it is the divisor one, because by itself it shows us 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are the two polynomials. Of course, it is a quadratic and it is a linear polynomial. So now we shall write like this, as you know the method how to divide by division method. So that is consider the polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So now divide. How we can divide? This is the dividend, divisor, quotient. What is the remainder over here? We should write here. So this is the first step. There are 3 more steps. So first of all, take the first one. This is the whole term, means linear polynomial for division. So in which take the first factor of the dividend. It must be the product of these terms, quotient and as well as divisor, must be equal to this one. So that is, in order to make equivalent of this term, so first of all take here x, already it is there, we record x square, that is why it is x, and also 1 is constant term here, it is 2, so that is why we can multiply it by 2. So that is why your first term is in the quotient is 2x. So remaining term whatever it may be. So first clearly eliminate the first term of the each divided. In this division method, clearly eliminate the first term. Okay, automatically we will get the sum remainder. So next, x into 2x square is 2x square. Okay, we require. Okay, both are same sign? No, here opposite signs we require. Whenever you want to go subtraction, the second polynomial of this what product now we will get the product of quotient and the divisor automatically become negative. So that is why 2x into x is 2x square plus into plus plus. Okay, 2 into 2 4x. So now this become negative and this become negative as per the rule. Okay, that you know. So now this one cancel. Automatically first term is eliminated. Now take the second. So plus here it is minus. The larger integer is minus 4x. That is why we can take our real number. So 4. So 4 minus 3 means only minus x. 1x means minus x. What is left now? So keep the next. Now it is considered remainder. So in order to make again we have to once again we have to simplify it. By how we can simplify it? Consider here x is already. Consider here it is minus 1 for example. Okay, consider x into 1 means first consider this sign plus into minus minus. We want same term. We want same term of the first term of this remainder. Okay. Now consider this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and it is the quotient. Of course, it is the on subtraction we get the remainder, but now it is become a divided. So that is why. So now you can divide this term by using this divisor. How? Minus 1 into x is x. Again 1 into plus into minus minus. 1 into 2 is 2. So what left now? Now on subtraction you will get all these signs become opposite, becomes minus become plus, minus become plus. Suppose it is plus or plus, automatically become negative. So you can write like this as per the rule. Now plus and minus get cancelled. What left now? Plus become 3. So what is the remainder? 3. Now consider this is the remainder. You know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder by using the first chapter. In the first chapter what we explained? A is equal to b cube plus r. What is this? This is the lemma. What it says? If a number is any real number, consider ABC are any real numbers in which A is a dividend, B is a divisor, Q is a quotient, R is a remainder. The same rule applies over here also. So in order to verify this result, we have to write like this. First here, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. It is equal to, what do you mean by divisor there? X plus 2 into quotient is 2x minus 1. So plus remainder is 3. So in order to make satisfy this dividend is equal to this one, this polynomial is equal to this one. So make LHS equal to RHS. That is how write as it is in the left side 2x square 3x plus 1. So that is equal to x. Look here the product of this one x into 2x 2x square. So again minus x 2 into 2 plus 4x minus 2 plus 3. Now simplify 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to no x squares, only 1x square. Okay, on simplification. This is plus 3x, it becomes plus 3x and minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Look over here, this one and this one means LHS equal to RHS. Hence our result is satisfied or verified by this condition. Okay, our divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So these rules already we know that in the real number chapter also. The same way, what happened the polynomials? Just I took the previous examples. Okay, for the polynomials. So now it is satisfied. What it says, that is why it is known as division algorithm. Why? Because consider. Okay, based upon this example, now consider if p of x and g of x, any two polynomials, where g of x is not equal to 0, where g of x is not equal to 0, we can find the polynomials, q of x and r of x, So this is our statement. Why I came over here? So consider just now I completed the example in which one polynomial I took and another polynomial also. That is, one is quadratic, another one is linear. Whatever it may be, consider one is p of x, another one is g of x. So in division method, we find suppose g of x is not equal to 0, it is not a zero-sum polynomial. Then we can easily find the another two polynomials that should be considered. One is quotient, another one is remainder. So that is why the relation, now the result, hence this result can be represented in the form of like this. Let p of x equal to, here what happened? P of x equal to z of x, okay, into q of x plus r of x. Because r of x here, r of x is less than degree of q of x. Consider this condition also applies. Okay. In the previous case, the lemma we are used r is less than b, because remainder is always less than divisor. Okay. Of course, remainder will say is equal to this one or more than this one. You can continue the process. The same way, the result comes now. This is also the one of the verification for the division. Now, the total result, the statement and the total result just now arrived. So this is known as division algorithm. So based upon this method, now we are going to solving the problems on exercise 2.3. Now let us start the exercise problems. So based upon this method, division algorithm. So first main, divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following cases. That is, first one, p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, g of x is x square minus 2, p of x is second one, g of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 5, g of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus x is plus 1 minus x, p of x equal to third one, x to the power of 4 minus 5x plus 6, g of x is equal to 2 minus x square. Now let us take first one. Okay, so first one, p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x also given. In which g of x is x square minus 2. So what we have to find? Q of x equal to how much? And r of x means quotient and remainder. So now let us take same by using division algorithm. So that is, p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus, that is, p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. For this, we can take this polynomial and this polynomial. Automatically divides this one. So that is why by this method directly I will write over here. So first equation is x square minus 2, division method. Okay, this is known as division. So this is the division method. So here divisor become like this. Okay, this divisor, and it is quotient. So what is the polynomial? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So this is the polynomial given. Okay, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Now consider the first one is x cube. Here is x square. So that in the first step you can take the x only. Multiply this one and this one, you will get x cube. Now first term is eliminating. Okay. Try to eliminate the first term always, whatever the divided given over here. So that is why x into x square x cube and minus into plus minus 2x. Whatever here 2x, but here 3x square here. So that is why it becomes 0x square, either plus or whatever it may be, but it is 2x. Consider it is 0x square, means nothing in it. 0 into something is 0. So here x square, but here power is 1. If you multiply this one, the product must be equal to x. This is equal to this one because this power, degrees are same. Whenever you are going to simplify, consider their degrees also. So it is of the standard form already because it is a cubic polynomial x cube bx square cxd. Now it is, of course, it is a polynomial and a quadratic polynomial, but it is not of the standard form. One term or variable over here, that is x power 1. So that is why. So careful to substitute the values. Here plus or minus whatever it be, the value is not considered. Only 0 is. Now this become minus. Of course, it is plus or minus or negative. But here it is considered, it is plus. So this one is cancelled automatically. So now what is left? 3x square. What is in the numerator? That will be left same. Now 5 plus 5 plus 7x. Okay. Now next the last term left, that is minus 3. Okay. Now consider minus 3. In order to eliminate the first term, we will take the minus sign along with one term, that is 3. Okay, already x square is there. If you multiply this one, you will get the first equivalent number for terms. That is why plus into minus, minus 3 into x square, 3x square. Next one, minus into minus, plus. Okay, we require here the x, but here it is not there. So that is why it is 0x. Here we have to write plus minus into minus plus into 3x. Okay, here already it is minus 3 because the last term. Now it is plus, so it is whatever it may be because it is 0 and it is minus. Now look here, first term cancelled. Now 7x left. Okay, 7x left and minus 3 minus 6 means minus 9. Suppose you can take any one number, it is not possible to divide because here r is less than the divisor. Okay, r is less than the divisor. Divisor is greater than the remainder. Hence, the process will stop. Suppose you can take any one term, the power is degree of the polynomial is 2, here degree of the polynomial is 1. Suppose you multiply and get some values and product written over here, on subtraction we are unable to get the reduced values. Hence we can stop this one and consider this is the remainder. So therefore p of x is nothing but what? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x and minus 3. And it is equal to g of x already given, x square minus 2. And no necessity to verify again and again. So consider there it is a p of x and it is a q of x and it is a divisor. Okay, g of x. So it is a x square and q of x is x minus 3. Okay, so plus remainder is 7x minus 9. So once again, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to x square into x square is x cube plus into minus 3x square minus 2x plus 6 plus 7x minus 9. So that is why cube only one term, that is cube. Okay, minus 3x square, none other than only one term, minus 3x square minus 2x plus 7x become plus 5x. Okay, plus 5x and 7x minus 2x become 5x plus and minus 3. So that is why here it is minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Hence the result is verified. So our values are right. That is q of x is equal to x minus 3 and r of x is equal to what? 7x minus 3. So here I want to write. So therefore so q of x. Okay, q of x is equal to x minus 3 and r of x is equal to 7x minus 3. So this is our required value. Hence it is satisfy the given condition or rule. So this is division algorithm from the first problem. Now let us take the second one, that is p of x is given, that is x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 5, and g of x, another polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial, plus 1 minus x. Here find q of x and r of x. Okay, so to find this value, consider their polynomials and degrees. Look for it. Try to write the standard form also. Before going to solution, first consider this standard form, whether linear, quadratic, or cubic polynomial. Now it is okay, different polynomial, highest degree is 4, but no other degrees. So that is why. So the same as it is x to the power. Otherwise, you can write x to the power of 4 minus 1 plus whatever it may be 0 x cube minus 1 plus whatever it may be, consider 0 x square. Okay, because 0 into something is something 0. So that is why it is. The sign is not dependent. Okay, and plus 4x plus 5. This is the polynomial. This is also nothing but this one. This is what I have, x square minus x plus 1. It is standard formula. This term changes to this because it is a constant and it is a variable. Hence x square plus bx plus c. It is x. Sum of the standard form. Okay, degree power is 4. So then can consider x to the power of 4, then bx cube, cx, and d, and up to the p. So now by division algorithm, okay, in the division algorithm, try to write the equation like this: x square minus x plus 1 because it is a divisor, and our divided x to the power of 4, okay, minus here you can write directly this one also or that one also, any one, either this one or this one. Okay, here I want to write the previous one, x plus 5. Okay, now consider the first term is x square and here the first term is x to the power of 4. So directly take in the quotient x square, because x square into x square become x to the power of 4. Equivalent sign along with the equivalent term in order to eliminate it. For example, first term is eliminating, the remaining term should be written in the remainder. The same way process will be continued. So now first one over x square into x square. Now consider, so that is why I written this form, because it is easy to write 1 0 to 1. So that is why 0, consider here minus or whatever it will be, minus x cube plus 0 x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so that is it. Now x square into x square is to the power of 4 minus x cube. It is minus x cube. Okay, minus x cube and plus 1 x square plus 1 x square. So subtract. So this one minus, this one plus, this one minus. On subtraction you get like this term. It is x cube and it is minus x square. Okay, this is 0 means you have to subtract this one by this one, you will get the same terms. That is why. So I written value. So now 4x plus 5. Okay. Now first plus, therefore plus. Here first term is x cube, here x square, therefore we can multiply it with x. That is x square into x become x cube. Okay. Now minus x square plus x. On subtraction, this become minus, this become plus, and this become minus. So this is eliminating, and plus and minus, this is also eliminating. So 4x minus is 3x plus 5. So remainder. Now we get some remainder, that is 3x plus 5, and the quotient is x square plus x. Now consider the relation. So what happens is the relation, that is p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So p of x is already x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 5. It is equal to g of x means x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Q of x is x square plus x. Okay. It is binomial and it is trinomial. Now plus r of x is 3x plus 5. So therefore now multiply. Keep as it is the left side, 4x plus 5, x square into x square, x to the power of 4. x square into x plus x cube. Okay, minus x into x cube, it is x cube, minus into plus minus x square. Okay, minus x square plus x and plus 3x plus 5. Another one term there. Okay, so here first term x square into x to the power of 4, x square into x cube, minus into plus x minus x into x square x cube, and minus into plus minus x into x square. Okay, now consider this one, plus x square plus 1 into x plus x plus 3x plus 5. Okay, now simplify x to the power of 4, there is no other degrees of the same. Now x cube minus x cube cancel, plus x square minus x square cancel. What is left now? X plus 3x plus 5. So that is nothing but x to the power of 4, 4x plus 5. Here x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 5. Therefore our left hand side of the polynomial is equal to right hand side of the polynomial. Hence the result is verified. Our polynomial is satisfied under the division algorithm method. So this is the required procedure how to solve the problems. That is, any two polynomials are given in order to finding their quotient and as well as the remainder. This is about our today's class. In the next class, I will continue the same exercise of the different problems. Okay, thank you.